with hindsight. And Justin and I gave each other a little challenge, some ideas on how to have some fun. And we talked about seeing which one of our daily drivers is faster. So we are going to a closed road where we can be safe. We're not going high distance. You'll know which vehicle is faster in the, say, the 8th mile. So it's not going to be something that's a full quarter mile or anything like that, but just some fun, just to get out. And then we're gonna go get some lunch and tell stories, which is probably the best part. So my daily, you've seen it up before. I've done another video on it, 2 maybe. It is a 1995 BMW 540i. It is a 6-speed. You can't see it, but there is a 6-speed manual transmission. It is a 4.0 liter V8. Factory says it puts about 285 horsepower. And then I have a Vortec V3 supercharger on it, putting out about 5 pounds of boost is what I've seen. So I'm guessing somewhere in the low 3s, low 300. The vehicle is kind of heavy for as small as it looks, or at least for like an American standard. This is probably a smaller size, mid-size. It is 3,700 pounds, which is quite a bit. It's got a lot of insulation and stuff like that. So Justin's truck is a 1993 Ford Lightning. Both his vehicle is stock. Mine has the supercharger, but it's not crazy changing. I think it's going to be good. It's going to be close. And I think the win or lose is probably going to be based on how well I can launch a manual transmission. The first gear on this thing is I've maxed out. I'm ready to shift at 20 miles an hour. So it's like a granny gear almost. I tried to start in second once and the clutch wouldn't grab. So if I give it gas, give it the onions, and then drop the clutch spins. So I don't think second gear is a good way to start. So I will start in first and see what happens. So it'll be fun. And I think you guys might enjoy it.
kicked my ass. I mean, all over the place. So, good times though, hey? We had to find out. I mean, you don't know until you do it, right? So, we did it, and we found out. Mark's car's a hell of a lot faster than my truck. Next time, I might have to do some things. We'll throw some horsepower at it and see what happens.